and subscribe.
Take care, everyone. We love you.
Take care, everyone. We love you. Thank you.
Ayan, kay Hadasa at Hana. Healthy, be. Gusto to ni Hana, be, yung cat. Ano ba natin ito ilalagay? Ayan. Kay Hadasa, doon lagyan natin. Same. Both of you, Hadasa and Hana. Today, we're going to stock this because we're going to make either kakanin, Philippine dessert, and then I also will use this, so I have to save two because this one is for the leche flan. I'm going to bring on Friday. Attend na lang ako, be, kasi tsaka ay may ladies night, ay ladies day pala sila, parang nail cleaning ka, so hindi na ako magaganon kasi hindi naman ano to, ready na siya. 20, 15 or 20 pa rin. Alam niya na pamparelax natin aside from moisturizer. Nails. Minsan lang naman yung sa nails. Kasi parang once a month lang. Minsan, 2 weeks. Pero pwede na. So, hindi siya nakaka-stress. So, yun. Yung meron lang ikaw na pang, parang ko ba i-explain sa inyo yun? Yung pang softener ng nails mo. Tapos meron kang yung pang, alam niyo yung pusher, yung tawag doon? Yung cleaner, nail cleaner, yung set. Pakita ko sa inyo yung set ko. Ganun lang pwede na yun. Tapos nail cutter, tapos ipa-file mo lang na ganun. Maganda na yung nails mo niyan. Lalo yung simple lang, hindi naglalagay ng mga gantong design. Okay lang. Sila, yung mga ka-churchmate ko, Saturday, day of February 8, timing, gamitin ko na yung gift ni Sis Leia, the massage gift certificate. So, probably, they're inviting for a relaxing day for girls, 4 o'clock daw. I don't know if it's 2 hours or 1 hour. So, meron rin silang food, ganon. So, mag-attend na lang ako, be, para maturuan ko rin sila ng konti, ganyan. Baka gusto nila. Kung gusto nila nung sa cleaning style. Madali, basic lang. Yung nail cleaning style lang natin din. Pero, aside from nail cutter, you're going to use the scraper for the nail a little bit. Yung how you see how nails are cleaned ng mga naglilinis sa atin. Yung parang ganun lang din. So, yan. This one is for the dessert, leche flan. 2 extra we have, and then the coconut milk for any Philippine dessert, and then this one is for the breakfast. Papa nila gusto niya, so meron siyang ganyan, strawberry tsaka yung milk niya. Ayan, so magagamit na natin to for Friday. Ayusin muna natin, and let's put this in the fridge first so that the yogurt will be safe, and then this one I'm going to set aside. I'm making a quick dinner, be. Imagine, paminsan nga gagawin ko. Ano lang siya, bread, bagel, and then parang yung corned beef natin, tsaka yung egg na may konting cheese. So quick. Parang hindi na ako maghihiwa-hiwa. Hindi siya vegetable today. It's quick dinner only. So, today's February 5. Tomorrow is the check-up naman for February. Next is March and April. Ay, salamat. Last na, be. 2 more times of check-up and we're done. And then before May, hopefully, pag May kasi, pag nanganak na ako ng April katapusan, so May, nakaraos na ako niyan, be. But I'm sure I'll be so tired. Masakit yun, diba? Kapag ka nanganak ka, may mga bleeding parang ganon. So, you will heal after a month or 2 months pa. But it's okay kasi hindi na heavy yung tummy mo. Yun lang. It's a little bit hard to work kasi you will be doing house tasks and then the baby's crying and you will have to take care and kailangan niya ng attention. So, yun, multitasking talaga tayo nito, be, super. Pero I know that, naman, may time naman na tulog ang baby. So, kapag tulog ang baby, makatutulog rin ako. If the baby's taking a rest, you have to take a rest too. That's the rule. Sa pagkatapos mong mga anak, mga 2 hours siguro siya matulog or 3 hours. But, yun, o kaya online free time. But yeah, I know it's going to be a little bit more busier than being pregnant, kasi pag pregnant ka parang relax kasi ikaw lang mag-isa, nasa school yung 2 kids. But I'm ready, so I'm preparing myself. I'll be so busy and tired April, May, June, July, August na yan, up to December. But yeah, I have to make sure that I am dividing my time accordingly. And also, yeah, on the time na mag-give birth ako, be, sana maintindihan nyo kung mag-upload ako ng mag-upload kasi remembrance ng baby, at saka mag-upload ako kasi e-edit ko lang na mabilis tapos upload lang. Bawi na lang ako kunya 3 times or 2 times. Bawi na lang akong balik, ha. Ayan. Take care tayong lahat. And I'll just finish this dinner. Yeah, quick dinner. Ang bilis lang niya, be. Lagi ko nga itong gawin. It's easy. It's not stressful. Ay, no. And Handas and Hannah will eat dinner now. Kita ko dito, be. Let's eat. Who wants ketchup? May ketchup. Alam mo yung mga ketchup, nilagay ko dito sa harap para kukunin ko na lang. Let's eat. Ang quick lang ng dinner, no? Easy dinner, be. Ayoko na maghirap, eh. Be. Meron ditong soy, lemon. Diyan ko nilalagay para kukunin ko na lang. Tapos pag may bisita, kukunin ko sila. May ketchup dito. May Mang Tomas. Tsaka ito. Tapos pag may bisita, kukunin ko na lang. Pag walang bisita, nandun siya. Para hindi na ako tayo ng tayo. Let's eat. Kain tayo. Tana, she's just dancing. I've been telling her to eat. Hoy, Hannah, kulit oh. Si Hannah. Beautiful eyes. Shh. Look, she's not yet eating. See how naughty is she? Off cam. Off cam. This is off cam, be. Look. Naughty. There's more, be. Worse than this. Ang kulit eh. Okay. You eat your food, ha?
Fart in my face. Time to eat.
Let's eat. I still have to clean, be. I have so many tasks. Adasa, can you please hold this so that I can show? This one. And we have mango juice from Philippines, be. I'll show you, ha. Hey, Hannah is so high, Hadasa, they can see. Hi, this is Philippine mango. I've been looking for this all over. And nandun lang pala sa Asian aisle, be. Okay.
Try this.
Friends, she will try it. What's that? It's ice cream and then there's Graham, be. From time to time, it's treat day. Let's try, be. Then after this, relax. Moisturizer, lotion, and just take a rest and relax and take care of our mental and emotional, spiritual, and financial health. Hindi, joke lang. Let's take care of our mental and emotional and spiritual self. Okay, take care everyone. We love you. We'll study her cursive, be. She's practicing.
I have my ice cream sandwich.
Yeah, and she will read books. I keep on telling them, read books because it's so important. Reading. Hayaan natin silang mag-read. Hanap pa ako. Ayusin ko nga yung parang mga books dito. Ang mura ng books na nabibilhan ko, no? $1. 50 pesos. 1 to sawang pieces. Mura pa sa thrift store yun eh. Ano siya? Parang pwede kang kumuha ng 20. Pero minsan, puno na yung plastic mo. So, 15 lang. Grabe na yan, ah. 15 pieces for 50 pesos. O, diba? 50 pieces of books for 50. But this one was not. This is from Barnes & Noble. Nung baby pa sila, Hadasa at Hannah. So, this is around $15 yata. Ang mahal. Mahal siya pag brand new, be. Mas maganda talaga. Ako ay, fanatic ko lang. Mura. Okay, sige. Kasi gurangis na ako, be. So, pag gurangis na ako, kailangan ko nang tabi. Dahil, syempre, nanay. Yon. Okay, for emergencies. Okay. Let's let them read first for the kids. Ay, tatay nila, be. Ang dami niyang libro. Sa kanya yan. Mahal yung libro niya, may mga $15, $20. Ako lang si $1 for 15 pieces. Sila mga social sila ba? Ako hindi.
Separate Reality, which is the first one. The next one is Journey to Itlan, which...
Have you read all of this?
No. In the 20 plus years
ko sasabog na yung ulo ko pag binasa ko, be.
that I've had,
Hindi kaya ng kapangyarihan ko to. Ang binabasa ko lang eh.
She asked me a question and then she started recording while I was answering her.
The one that I'm reading is only yung mga Chicken Soup for the Soul. Tsaka yung Bible. Kailangan. I need to read the Bible before the end of the world. My goodness. Whole of it. Hopefully. Meron akong Tagalog Bible bili ko sa Amazon. Meron din sa National Bookstore. This is the books that he's reading. My goodness. Look, how much is it? Natatawa yan sa akin kasi ako si thrift store eh. Oh, yan oh. Ang mahal lang kanya oh. $16.99. Grabe. Ako hindi mo ako mapabili ng $20 na isang libro. Bibili ako nung $1 for 15 pieces. Just joking. Ay, Coach bag. No, that's a gift from my cousin. The other ones are from Facebook Marketplace. Yung mga signature bag ko be. Ano siya, affordable siya. Pero ano yung $20 yun, pero kasi signature bag naman. Eh, di ba ang ano yung 300 yung iba nun. Pero that's the past. Now it's not. Okay, let's let the kids read this.
Practice reading.
Practice reading. We will organize all the other books, be. Yan, puno to ng mga books, be. Ayoko nang magdagdag kasi ano, nakakakonsensyang bilhin ko lahat yung tig $1 book.
Do you want to see the book?
Puro free. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, kasi marami na. We can't be a hoarder, di ba? Hindi tayo pwedeng maging hoarder. Hannah will read. Study time. Reading time. Every day we have reading time. Ha? 2025. Okay. Wow, she's relaxing. She's drinking milk. Later, maglagay ako ng moisturizer sa face. So, it's relaxed. Then, we will read Princess Emily's story. Have a great night. We love you.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Take care, everyone. We love you.